Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual, I shall get to it. So this sketch was, it was quite a tricky one to actually capture. I don't know why. This one looks like a guy when it's actually a girl, and this one looks like the original reference photo, so I don't know what happened. I think it's the nose that's completely thrown off the whole entire result for it, and then the jaw on this one was completely wrong. It's too boxy, so this is where you need the information for the analysis. So this is a learning method that I use. It was actually my husband that created the learning method for his university work and then his career, and it's helped him to progress very quickly in both areas, and I have now applied it to my sketching. So the feedback loop comes about from the good speed, and these sketches, as I said, took either 3 minutes or just over 2 minutes each, whereas before it was taking me half an hour. So number one, the nose was far too long and too wide. Number two is slightly better ratios, and number three, the jaw, as I said, the jaw was far too boxed, and the whole overall head shape was a little bit too short as well. So the feedback is where you get the effective and efficient results, where you can improve, where you went right, where you want to avoid doing again. And yeah, let me know what you think. I apply this with geometric and observational methods, and originally it was Loomis method, but I've come away from that now because I know where different features should go, and I can see with the proportions and different lines where they should go as well. Loomis method was tremendously helpful when I was starting to gain more basic basic skills in sketching. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys.